Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer money from Citizens Bank to Bank of America. Open the website, then log in with your online user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfer Money. Then here, you will see a section for Transfer between my other bank account. Under Transfer between my other bank account is an option that says Make a Transfer. Click on Make a Transfer. Now you have to enter the required information. On the first field, enter the amount you're going to transfer. Then select the From and to accounts. It should be your Bank of America checking account. After that, select the transfer date. You could also add a memo. After entering all the required information, click on Continue. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you transfer money from Citizens Bank to Bank of America. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.